So today I am taking a question from Molality, class 12, chapter solution. It's a problem based chapter, so you will get a 3-mark question where a problem you have to solve. One of the question will be related to molality. And the question is given here. Nalorphine, similar to morphine, is used to combat withdrawal systems in narcotic uses. Dose of nalorphine generally given is 1.5 milligram. Calculate the mass of 1.5 into 10 to the power of minus 3 m aqueous solution required for the above. So when you get a question like this, please read the question twice. What they want, what they are asking for, please understand. This is a fusion type question combined with the chemistry, everyday life and solution. So you got two medicine, nalorphine and morphine are used for withdrawal system. That means any depression case, they are narcotic medicines. And a patient having such a symptom of this withdrawal, the doctor is supposed to give 1.5 milligram of nalorphine. And what is given is molality is given. That molality is 1.5 mg is given. 1.5 into 10 to the power of minus 3. So molality is given in the question, that is equal to 1.5 into 10 to the power of minus 3 m. Small m stands for molality. Capital M stands for molarity, which you know, I think. Now what we know? So the question is calculate the mass of the solution and molality is given. So we know the equation for the molality from the chapter, which is molality is equal to number of moles of the solute divided by mass of solvent in kilogram. So even if you write this equation itself, then you will get half mark. Or otherwise, many of you are studying this this equation as by heart, which is this is equal to W2 by molality is equal to W2 by M2 into W1 and in the numerator 1000. Where? So if you write this equation, that is enough. And W2 is what? Is the mass of the solute. Mass of the solute here, what's the solute here? Nalorphine. How much the doctor has to take to inject? 1.5 milligram. So W2 is equal to 1.5 milligram. The moment getting this milligram itself, we please convert into gram, because all other things usually we are taking in gram. So W2 is given. Now M2 is molar mass of nalorphine, molar mass of solute, which is nalorphine. Is it given? It's no, mass directly is not given, but then the formula is given, C19H21NO3. So mass M2 will be equal to mass of 1 mole of C19H21NO3. It's not NO2 but NO3. So easily you can calculate, because you know the mass of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. So if you put the values like 19 into 12 plus 21 plus 14 plus 16 into 3, then you will get the value as 311. So if you molar mass means it will be in gram. You got M2 also. Then 1000 molality is given. So what you can calculate is W1. That means mass of solvent you can calculate from the given equation using all these values. So I am just putting again the equation once more. M molality is equal to W2 by M2 into W1 into 1000, correct? Now I am putting the value here. W2 is 1.5 into 10 to the power of minus 3 divided by 311. W1 is up. You are going to calculate into 1000. Now from this easily you can calculate W1. W1 is equal to 1.5 into 10 to the power of minus 3 by 311 into molality, and in the numerator again 1000. Got it? Now molality we know, or it is given as 1.5 into 10 to the power of minus 3 in the equation. This is molality. So put the value of molality there. Then easily see how it is cutting and going. So 1.5 into 10 to the power of minus 3 divided by 311 into 1.5 into 10 to the power of minus 3, and here 1000. So what will you get the value? W1 will be equal to, if you cut this one, I am cutting this one, you will get it, that will be equal to 1000 divided by 311 gram. So much gram you will get it. So I am just doing this calculation, which you are not supposed to use the calculator there. So you should know how to use logarithm or otherwise direct. 1000 divided by 311. That will come around 3.21 boson. So 3.21 gram easily you can take. W1 you got 3.21 gram. Now what is W1? Mass of solvent. Question is not mass of solvent. What is the question? Mass of solution. So what you have to do? Solvent plus solute. That's all. So mass of solution the doctor is supposed to take is 3.21 mass of solvent plus mass of solute, which is 1.5 into 10 to the power of minus 3 in gram. So that will come as 3.21 plus 0.0015. So much gram. So not much difference. Even if you write mass of solvent, it is almost same. But you have to write the question the way it has been given. So that will come as 3.2115 gram. So you got the mass of solution. So when you get a question, you can see that how to do. Write the equation and start doing. You will get it. That is how. Thank you.